Nearly 2 in 3 women will say that they ended a relationship because of a bad kiss. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down why everything changes after that first kiss and even how to master it. From secret timing cues to specific kiss zones based in science. This is your step-to-step guide on how to kiss, and you know, because I'm teaching it to you. It's scientifically backed. Let's go to number 1. This one kiss can kill attraction instantly. One bad kiss can keep you single for the rest of your life. But according to research from Sunny, Albany, and Oxford, a bad first kiss ends almost 2 out of 3 potential relationships instantly, even if everything else in the date went great. That's because her brain treats that first kiss like a biological screening test. Evolutionary psychologists say that first kiss relays key information like health, compatibility, and arousal. And you do one wrong move, you've turned her off. So if your first kiss is too wet, too stiff, or it's off rhythm, her brain's not gonna say, let me try that again. Her brain's gonna say, we're done. This is what's at stake right now. You need to lock in and learn how to kiss correctly, which takes us exactly to number 2. Stop kissing her on the lips first. Do not make the lips your starting point. If you're too nervous or unsure of what to do, here is the perfect science-backed sequence of where you should kiss her, from safe to meaningful to finally build up to the lips. First, you have the forehead kiss. This is the safest and most emotionally powerful place to kiss her when you're starting off. A forehead kiss activates oxytocin, which is the bonding hormone that deepens the emotional connection she'll have with you. The second is the temple or the cheek kiss. This is a soft pivot towards intimacy without it being full passion. It's an affectionate and gentle kiss when you do it on the temple or on the cheek. Number 3, it's the hand kiss. You want to kiss her here slowly while you still maintain eye contact with her. It also gives you time to read her body language in a low pressure way. And 4, now you kiss the lips. By now she feels safe, she's warmed up, and she's emotionally connected. You didn't rush in, you built the momentum. At which point, a kiss in the lips is not unexpected. As a matter of fact, she's wanting it at this point. Tip number 3, you have to smell like she wants to kiss you. You smelling good doesn't just make girls want to kiss you, it makes her remember that feeling of wanting to kiss you. That's because her sense of smell is tied to her memory more than any other sense. So if you smell amazing during that first kiss, her brain will literally lock in that feeling and then feel it again when she smells you again. So here's how you're gonna do it right. Step 1, spray in the kiss proximity zone. Before a hug or a kiss happens, as she's getting close, she's gonna catch a scent from your neckline, behind the ears, or from behind the neck. These are her memory triggers, and it's exactly where you want to spray your fragrance, at least one spray in each location. When you do, never rub in the fragrance, let it air dry. Step 2, let her catch the scent. You don't have to respray across your entire body. That's too much. It's almost like you're announcing that you wore a scent this morning. Instead, you should allow her to lean in and discover it herself. When you have a clean, masculine scent in the right location, which I just showed you, it's gonna create the perfect emotional hit. Because when she goes home and she smells that scent again on her hair, or maybe it's on her body because you guys were close, all she'll be thinking about is that exact same intense feeling right before the kiss. Which takes us to tip number 4, the best times to kiss a girl. Do you want to know the exact moment when a girl actually wants you to kiss her? I got you. Some of the most powerful kisses happen during an emotionally charged moment. And I'm gonna show you the 3 times that you should go for it and why. First, when she's mad. When she's venting about her day or she's ranting about work, do not zone out. I want you to lean in because she's letting her guard down. See, most people, they tend to freeze up in super emotionally tense situations like this. Almost like you don't want to do something wrong. And here's one of the times I have to thank therapy, bro. Therapy helped me realize that in times like this, being present, not perfect, is what actually creates connection. That's one of the things I'm most thankful for. Yo, my therapist is watching. Yo, thank you for helping me show up better in moments that matter. And now I can show you guys this because most of you don't have somebody in your lives that you can trust and speak to freely without that fear of judgment. That's what a therapist is for. And that's something that BetterHelp is great at, especially helping you understand that emotional language. The second time you should kiss her is when she's happy. This one's the most obvious, but it's how you do it that really matters. When she's laughing, she's smiling, she's caught off guard, do not wait for a long, awkward pause. If you kiss her in the middle of that joy, it's just gonna amplify the feeling. You're linking affection to that dopamine spike. And here's another thing, before I forget, that therapy gave me is that confidence to connect with somebody without without overthinking it. And if you've never felt that or had that, bro, BetterHelp makes it easy to get started, even if you've never done therapy before, because you can click the link down below to go to our sponsor, BetterHelp, and get connected to a therapist instantly from the comfort of your room. And the third time you should kiss her is when she's about to leave. This moment is cinematic for a reason, and women love this. Right before she walks away, it's your cue to hold her back, even for a second, and you kiss her like you mean it. Not rushed, not desperate, just intentional. This just locks in the whole experience and leaves her wanting more. And this is something I didn't always know how to express, but therapy really taught me how to cherish those moments that matter the most in our lives. So again, my therapist is watching. Thank you. But I also want you to have that same feeling. So I want you to go to betterhelp.com/mensfashion or click the link down below so you can start your own journey and get a special offer off your first month. Tip number 5, how to French kiss her. There are 2 big problems that almost everybody makes when they make their first kiss. They go left and they use their tongue. So let's fix the first one. 80% of people naturally tilt their head right when they're going in for a kiss. That's not just a bad habit, it's neurobiological. Studies from scientific reports and nature.com show that even in countries that have no media influence, people instinctively tilt their head to the right when going in for a kiss. So if you decide to tilt left, your noses are going to crash and the rhythm's gonna break. And then the moment gets super awkward fast. So always follow the unspoken kissing rule. Tilt your head right. Now let's fix your tongue game. Here's where most dudes go wrong. They go in tongue first. You're treating it like a drill, or even worse, you drown her in saliva. And the thing is that you're doing this without even noticing because it's in our biology to do so. You see, us as men, we're biologically wired to have wetter kisses because our saliva carries testosterone, and subconsciously, we're trying to spike her arousal by transferring that testosterone-filled saliva to her. The problem is, most women hate overly wet kisses, especially if it's your first one. So here's how you're gonna fix it. Step 1, you start with the top lip first. Do not aim for her whole mouth and keep it soft and slow. Step 2, you're gonna then knock your tongue. It's almost like you're letting your tongue ask for permission, where your tongue gently graces her lip. You're not going all the way in. If she mirrors that movement, then you can proceed. And step number 3, the most important one, you need to match the pressure and the pace. Let her lead the tempo. If she's going light, you go light. If she's going fast, you go fast. The bottom line is, if you follow these 3 steps, it's gonna feel effortless. And that's what makes a great kiss, because everything from your head tilt to your tongue position is in sync. Tip number 6, you need to fix your lips. Your lips, it's the reason why she doesn't kiss you back. And she's never gonna say it to your face. If your lips are dry, cracked, flaky, or dull, her brain is gonna register that as unhygienic and she'll instantly pull back. So I'm gonna show you how to fix your lips in 60 seconds. First, you're gonna dry brush after brushing your teeth. As soon as you're done, clean the toothbrush and gently scrub your lips to remove any dead skin. Second, you're gonna use a natural homemade scrub. You're gonna apply a little bit of honey on your lips and then sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar and continue to exfoliate your lips to remove any dry skin and rehydrate your lips. In step 3, you have to seal in the hydration. Once you've washed your lips off, leave your lips moist and apply a layer of Vaseline right before going to bed. Tip number 7, the triangle method that guarantees a kiss back. How can you know with almost 100% accuracy that she actually wants to kiss you? Well, there's a silent test called the triangle look. And once you see it, you'll never miss this green light again. So before the kiss, I want you to look at just one of her eyes, then the other eye, and then the mouth. That is your triangle. If she holds your gaze or mirrors your gaze, or especially looks at your lips as well, she wants a kiss. This is called gaze triangulation, and body experts use this to decode attraction. When somebody looks at your lips, even subconsciously, it signals anticipation. It's almost like the brain's way of saying, I'm already thinking about it. The triangle look will mimic that signal and test to see if she's wanting it back. If you follow these 7 steps, every kiss you have with anybody will always be incredible.